rutabagas. I can't see a thing without my specs. Oh, let's see now. There they are. Benjamin, my, how you've grown. Oh, mercy me. I can't see a thing with my specs either. Benjamin, dear boy, let me look at you. Oh, my, but you do look successful. Isn't that nice? And who are all these fine gentlemen? My, how nice. Sakes, what did he say? Oh, Benny, dear, how exciting. You mean Benjamin? Well, ever since I changed his first diaper. Oh, my goodness, thank you, son. I mean, Your Honor. Oh, Benny, you shouldn't have. Nothing like this ever happened to me before. I'm the proudest mother in the world. You know, son, if they like me so much, I think I should stay. He's right, son. I'll be home waiting for you. Am I holding this right, Benjamin? Oh, I understand. Now, tell me again, what do I do? Oh, imagine having a ship named after little old me. I christen thee the good ship Mother Benjamin B. Ball Sr. I didn't know I was supposed to launch the captain along with the ship. Aye, that sounds important. My, are all those cars here for the bridge opening? Yeah. My, to think that cutting this little ribbon will do so much. Oh, you're a smart mayor, son. I'll never forget this day as long as I live. Of course I will, son. But I'll tell you a little secret. It wouldn't make any difference to me what you are, mayor or not. I'd love you just the same.